Alright guys, so PNP to the rescue once again, and this time the lowest cutoff of CRS is out of 300, and it was all due to a PNP draw that happened very recently in the first week of May. We are covering this important piece of information today in this video. Please be tuned till the end. Alright guys, so welcome back once again. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant, and I practice in Brampton, Ontario. My office is there. But if you have to get in touch with me, my number is on the screen and in the description box. Please feel free to book a consultation and I would be more than happy to speak with you. Guys, before we move ahead, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the like button if you are watching this video or on this channel for the first time, because we talk a lot about Canadian immigration, and if you are an aspirant, this is the channel that you must be watching all the time. Guys, so what we are discussing, a very important piece of information today, is the Alberta PNP or the PNP draw for say, because we have seen so far in the year 2021 a lot of federal skilled worker candidates have been waiting for an all program draw, but the same has not yet happened and everybody is waiting for it. But all the draws that have been happening so far are either for Canadian experience class candidates or the PNP candidates. So what Alberta, the province, did was they held a draw, yet another draw in the year 2021, and this time they took the CRS to the lowest in the past 12 months, which was only 300. Now the draw, although was not the largest draw, they invited about 250 immigration candidates, but the CRS, yes, was the lowest, and they invited people over the age of 300, over the CRS of 300. Now, what's important to note is that the people would be picked up under the Alberta Express Entry stream. Once they submit their documents in that particular stream, the verification will happen. The province, if is able to verify their profiles, the applicants will receive 600 points under their the NOI that they receive. Then they can use that particular NOI and move towards express entry in order to claim their 600 points. Now, moving towards the express entry with an NOI, yes, that sort of pseudo confirms the PR as long as the documents are valid, and IRCC confirms the applicant's PR via the express entry route. Guys, once again, the Alberta PNP has usually been picking up people who have their relatives or friends living in that particular province, which means the ties are really strong to that particular province. And this another draw was yet another example and a proof of that particular thing. So if you are an aspirant and in 2021 you want to move to Canada, we are not sure when the next express entry draw, the all program draw, is going to be, but for now PNP and CECs are there for your applications. Guys, I hope you got a lot of information in the video today. If you need more information or clarification or to see what are your options, please give us a call on the number on the screen through a WhatsApp message or a regular call. Please schedule a consultation and I would be more than happy to speak with you. Once again, it was lovely chatting with you and I wish you all the best, and I hope to see you soon in Canada.